Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Noobs. Today's video we're going to be looking at the latest big news to do with XRP / Ripple. We're also going to be looking at targets and price analysis, as well as the latest big news in the crypto space. If you like anything I bring to you, share the video, like the video, or any feedback does really help out my channel. With that, let's jump straight into the video. So if we take a look at the current market, Bitcoin dominance is at 64%, and if we take a look at the market cap, it is at over $202 billion, which is significantly better than we've had the past few weeks. If we take a look at XRP, over the past 24 hours, it's up 3%. With XRP, they are up over 28% over the last 30 days, which is obviously a very good sign. I want to show you guys today some big news to do with XRP. It is rumoured, but you know, it is very, very big still. You guys may have already heard of this one, but it is still big in my opinion. And I also want to show you what Donald Trump said the other day. Now, the Bank of America lifts lid on Ripple partnership. Now, some of you may have already seen this back in 2016, but now this is getting real, and I want to show you guys in a little bit why this might be about to get real. I'm just so you know, I am very bullish on the whole crypto market. I don't have just one selected preferred crypto. I have multiple in my portfolio, and I'm pretty much just very bullish on the whole space itself. I don't think one cryptocurrency will come in and all 5,000 won't. I generally think that the top 20, the top 30, the ones that are legit, the ones that are proving themselves, the one that can get those partnerships, those are the ones that will succeed in this new age that is coming up, in my opinion. So just so you're aware, the Bank of America head global banking has heaped praise of cryptocurrency project Ripple and its ability to interrogate with traditional banking services. Speaking on a podcast, BOA's Julia Harris discusses emerging payment options for businesses and how it can improve efficacy. It's not about our platform and our capabilities, it's about you as a client and the infrastructure you have and the ability for us to integrate. Whether that's with platforms and capabilities that we build up all partnerships that we have with the likes of Ripple or Swift, she said. So if I show you here, it's about we are partnering with fintechs like Ripple or Swift. Now, it's about you as a client and the infrastructure you have and the ability for us to integrate. Whether that's with platforms and capabilities that we build on partnerships that we have with the likes of Ripple or Swift, these are fintechs that we are partnering with, Bank of America, Ripple. Now, this is very, very big in my opinion. You guys may have seen this a couple of years ago, but now that obviously we have got a big problem on our hands with money, the dollar, the pound, the euro, this is where things, in my opinion, are going to get real. Now, this is very, very big. If I show you what Donald Trump said earlier, this was tweeted by Digital Asset Daily. I think he is also a YouTuber as well, so he tweeted this about Donald Trump. It doesn't have 100% linking with it, but it's just very, very interesting, and I want to show you guys.
Be all set to go. We're going to have a rocket upward. I want to thank David Solomon, CEO of Goldman Sachs, Brian Moynihan, CEO of Bank of America, Gordon Smith, co-president, COO of JP Morgan Chase, Charles Scharf, CEO of Wells Fargo, Michael Corbett, CEO of Citigroup, Al Kelly, CEO of Visa, Michael Miebach, CEO of MasterCard, Noah Wilcox, CEO, Chairman of Grand Rapids State Bank, and we had numerous others also on the call, and I just appreciate them. We're way ahead of schedule, by the way.
Now, a lot of people saying this is them announcing that they have got the partnership, but I haven't seen anything just yet, so I'm not going too ahead of it. In my opinion, though, if there's going to be a time where this is going to happen, it's going to happen in the next month or two, or now, because we need something to change now, because it's not good in my opinion. But in my opinion, I generally do think if this was true right now, then you would see the price reflect it very well. It has gone up another 2% since I've started this video, or 1%, sorry. But this is still, it's very, very bullish news in my opinion if this is true, because if it's going to happen, it's going to happen now. Let me show you this, if you haven't seen this already. This is the Bitcoin stock to flow. Now, before you attack me or you say something, let me just point this out. I generally think this Bitcoin stock to flow is very, very important for a lot of people that haven't seen this, purely because if this does happen here, which is this big spike, now I generally do think that the whole market, XRP, Ethereum, because these are the people that, the companies that are proving themselves, they will succeed. I just think that Bitcoin, this part here is that flip. It's just this has a stock to flow model graph to be able to work it out a bit better. This was done by $100 trillion. I shout them out and always talk about this in my videos. It's a very, very good chart so far because of how accurate it is so far. Now, if you don't like Bitcoin, that's fair enough. But in my opinion, this chart / Bitcoin is very, very important for all of us, because even if you don't like it, I personally do really like it. But if you don't like it, this is still important, because if we make this big jump, then the whole market is going to blow. It will have similar sort of results as to the last bull run. If not, people are talking about this could be the biggest bull run in history, because this will be the transition. This will be everybody flipping, and it is massive in my opinion. So even if you don't like Bitcoin, you don't trust Bitcoin, I still think this is massively important for the flip in cryptocurrency to happen. If you don't like it, that's fair enough, but in my opinion, I still think, I'm a big Bitcoin fan, but I still think this is very, very important for the rest of the crypto market, because I believe if Bitcoin fails and this chart fails, the model fails, and Bitcoin goes down to 2,000-3,000 when it's supposed to skyrocket, I do generally think that the rest of the market will see a blood of green, a blood, just loads of red basically. I reckon they'll see loads of red. But in my opinion, that is very, very important. But I am very, very bullish on pretty much all of the top 20 cryptocurrencies. They're very, very big, and they're very, very important for the next 2 to 3 years that are going to be happening with money, the dollar, the euro. So this is very, very big. If that rumour is true and something does happen with XRP, then we're going to see this happen very, very quickly. If you guys did enjoy anything or learn anything, a like, a share, any feedback, it always is greatly appreciated. You guys have been showing me unbelievable amount of support recently with loads of subscribers and loads of views. I just really, really appreciate it. If you have enjoyed anything, don't forget to comment. I've been Crypto Noobs. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.